Hello guys, welcome back to Commission Corner. So today we are gonna continue the design of concrete structure lectures. So please like, share and subscribe to Commission Corner for more such updates. So without wasting time, let's continue to today's lecture. So in last video we have completed question up to question number 183. So आज हम 184 से continue करेंगे. So let's continue with today's lecture. Question number 184. Workability of concrete increases by increasing the water content, increasing the temperature, increasing the use of flaky and elongated aggregates. So first and second will be the correct option. The option number B is the correct answer, increasing the water content and increasing the temperature, by which workability of concrete will increase. Next question number 185. Which of the following workability test is most suitable for concrete of very low workability? कौन से हमारे टेस्ट जो है मोस्ट सुटेबल हैं कंक्रीट की जिसकी लो वर्केबिलिटी होती है, तो उसके लिए हमारा सुटेबल टेस्ट है वीबी टेस्ट. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 186. द वैल्यू ऑफ वीबी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The value of VB time for a low workability as per IS is prescribed as 5 to 10 seconds. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question. If the compacting factor of concrete is 0.9, then the workability according to IS is medium. अगर आपका 0.9 से ज़्यादा होता है तो वर्केबिलिटी आपकी हाई होगी, 0.75 से 0.9 होता है तो मीडियम, लेस देन 0.75 इज लो एंड 0.25 to 0.5 is very low. Next question 188. Select the incorrect statement. Statement number 1. Higher temperature reduces workability. False. It is correct statement. Segregation can be reduced by air entrainment. This is correct statement. Bleeding is increased by use of air entrainment. This is correct statement. So option number D is the correct answer. None of the above are incorrect. Next question number 189. According to IS, increase in compressive strength of alumina cement at 6 months beyond 28 days. Compressive strength is 0. Beyond 28 days, compressive strength of alumina is 0. Next question. For a satisfactory workable concrete, a constant water cement ratio, increased aggregate cement ratio, increase the strength of concrete. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question number 191. Minimum water cement ratio required full hydration of cement is 0.36. B is the correct answer. Next question number 292. The presence of entrained air in concrete results in reduces bleeding, lowering the density of concrete, and the decreasing of strength of all ages at all ages. Option number D is the correct answer for 192. Next question number 193. The Indian standard recommended the calcium chloride as accelerated admixture in plain concrete works. No, plain and reinforced concrete works only. B is the correct statement. The option B is the correct answer. Next question number 194. Calcium chloride as accelerating admixture is not recommended for use with high alumina cement. C is the correct answer. Next question number 195. Reduction in the quantity of mixing water which is possible by the use of plasticizer and admixture varies from 5 to 15%. Option number B is the correct answer. Next assertion reasoning. Retarder are useful when concreting is done in hot weather, because in the hot weather normal setting time of concrete is reduced due to higher temperature. Option number A is the correct answer. Next question. Addition of sugar in concrete, about 0.05% of weight of cement, result in increasing the setting time by about 4 hours. B is the correct answer. Next question. In concrete mix design, allowance for bulking of sand is necessary in case of volume batching only. A is the correct answer. Next question. In concrete mix design, allowance for surface water carried by aggregate is necessary in case of volume batching and weight batching. Both. C is the correct answer. Next question number 200th. Which of the following type of concrete mixer is most commonly used in precast concrete factories? So option number B is the correct answer. Pan type mixer. These are most commonly used in precast concrete factories because these are easily available and economical. Next question number 201. Steam curing is not recommended for use with high alumina cement. C is the correct answer. जो हमारी स्टीम क्योरिंग है वो हाई एल्यूमिना के साथ नहीं वर्क करती है, इसलिए हम उसे रेकमेंड नहीं करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 202. अकॉर्डिंग टू IS 456, मिनिमम पीरियड स्टिपुलेटेड फॉर मॉइस्ट क्यूरिंग ऑफ कंक्रीट यूजिंग OPC इज 7 days. Minimum period is 7 days. Next question number 203. Curing period required is minimum for the concrete using rapid hardening cement. C is the correct answer. मिनिमम टाइम होता है हमारा RPC के लिए क्योंकि वो जल्दी सेटल हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 204. फॉर reinforced concrete exposed to sulfate attack the minimum grade is required M20. C is the correct answer. सल्फेट अटैक के कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस में हमें M20 जो है वो रिकमेंड किया जाता है. C is the correct answer for 204. Next question 205. According to IS 456 1978, the total sulfate content as percentage of mass content in cement should be limited to 4. C is the correct answer. Next question number 206. According to IS 456, the total fluoride content as percentage of mass of cement in concrete mix should be limited to 0.16 is the correct answer. C. Next question number 207. According to IS 456, the maximum water cement in plain concrete to ensure durability in mild exposure is 0.670. D is the correct answer for 207. ये सभी IS कोड के क्वेश्चन जो तो इनको ज़्यादा गो थ्रू करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सीधे स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, उन्हें आपके स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर देने हैं एंड दैट्स इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 208. टू एंश्योर ड्यूरेबिलिटी फॉर सिमिलर कंडीशन ऑफ एक्सपोजर वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो in reinforced concrete as compared to that in plain concrete is less. B is the correct answer. Next question number 209. For a given degree of hydration, the effect of increasing water cement ratio in concrete is to increase permeability. A is the correct answer. Next question number 210. For a given water cement ratio in concrete, with passage of time, the permeability decreases. B is the correct answer. Next question number 211. As compared to moist cured concrete, the permeability of steam cured concrete is more. जो हमारा moist cured concrete होता है, the permeability of steam cured concrete की जो होती है वो ज़्यादा होती है. Next question number 212. If compressive strength of concrete determined from 150 mm by 300 mm cylinders is X, then the compressive strength of same concrete determined from 150 mm cubes is 1.25 X times more. That means 1.25 more as compared to the normal one. Next question number 213. The compressive strength of concrete determined from 150 by 150 mm as compared to that determined by 150 by 300 cylinders is more. A is the correct answer. These are the obvious questions. So let's continue to the next question. The compressive strength of concrete determined by 150 by 150 cylinder as compared to from 150 mm cubes is obviously more. Next question. Assertion and reasoning है 215th. For determining uniform compressive strength of concrete, a better test specimen as compared to the cylinder. Cube is a better test specimen as compared to cylinder, which is false. क्योंकि जो हमारा cylinder होता है, that is the better test specimen. Next, because stress distribution is uniform over a cross section of cylinder as compared to cube. नहीं, जो हमारी stress distribution है वो हमारी cube में ज़्यादा uniform होती है as compared to the cylinder. So yes, और A is false and R is the correct. Stress distribution जो हमारी cylinder में uniform होती है as compared to the cube. तो हम जो prefer करते हैं सिलेंडर प्रेफर करते हैं। लेकिन मोस्टली ऑन साइड जो है हमारा वो क्यूब ही यूज़ होते हैं कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेस फाइंड करने के लिए, कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ फाइंड करने के लिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 216, 215 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा आपका ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ए इज़ फॉल्स एंड आर इज़ ट्रू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 216, according to IS 456, if Fy is the characteristic strength of steel and the modulus of elasticity of steel, the maximum strain in the steel in the reinforcement in the section at Fy should not be less than 0.002 plus Fy upon 1.15 ES. C is the correct answer. Next question number 217. Design strength of concrete for a limit state of collapse is taken as 0.6 FCK upon R. B is the correct answer. FCK is characteristic compressive strength of concrete and R is the partial safety factor. Next question number 218. In limit state design of concrete for flexure, the area of stress block is taken as 0.36 FCK XU. A is the correct answer for 218. Next question number 219. Shape of idealized stress strain curve for a concrete as prescribed by IS 456-1978 is rectangular parabolic. C is the correct answer. Next question number 220. In limit state design, under reinforced section is the one in which tensile strength in steel reaches the yield value and maximum compressive strain in concrete is less than its ultimate crushing strain. So A is the correct answer for 220. अंडर रेनफोर्स सेक्शन हमारा जो लिमिट स्टेट डिज़ाइन में होता है जिसमें टेंसाइल स्ट्रेन जो है हमारा स्टील का वो यील्ड कर जाता है यील्ड वैल्यू तक, और जो हमारा मैक्सिमम कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेन है कंक्रीट का वो लेस रहता है अल्टीमेट क्रशिंग स्ट्रेन पे, तो हम उसे अंडर रेनफोर्स स्ट्रक्चर कहते हैं। सो ऑप्शन ए इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर 220। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 221 असर्शन एंड रीजनिंग है। Assertion is according to IS 456-1978 over reinforced sections are not permitted, which is true. Over reinforced section हम नहीं permit करते हैं because reason है there is a ductile failure of over reinforced section. This is a false statement. ductile failure नहीं होता है, crushing होती है अगर over reinforced होगा आपका तो। नेक्स्ट क्योंकि उसमें हमारी कंक्रीट की क्वांटिटी कम रहेगी और स्टील ज़्यादा रहेगा तो डक्टाइल में तो फेल वो कर ही नहीं सकता है, लेकिन कंक्रीट कम है तो वो सीधे कोलैप्स करेगा, क्रश होगा। तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए असर्शन इज करेक्ट बट द रीजन इज फॉल्स, ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 222 इन द लिमिट स्टेट मेथड बैलेंस डिजाइन ऑफ reinforced concrete beam gives smallest concrete section and maximum area of reinforcement, so option number A is the correct answer for this for 222. Next question number 223 in limit state design the limiting value of depth of neutral axis is 0.53 D. option number 223 का correct answer है 2.53 D. next question 224 in limit state design the maximum limit imposed by IS 456-1978 on the redistribution of moments in statically indeterminate beam is 30%. D is the correct answer. 225 percentage of steel for balanced design of a singly reinforced rectangular section by limit state method depends on characteristic strength of concrete, yield strength of steel, modulus of elasticity of steel, geometry of the section. सो ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए, यील्ड स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए, मॉडुलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी चाहिए, जियोमेट्री का कोई रोल नहीं होता। सो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 2 3 आर करेक्ट, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी 225, करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 226 इन अ रीइंफोर्स्ड कंक्रीट pedestal is defined as a compression member whose effective length does not exceed its least lateral dimension by 3 times. B is the correct answer. So that's the end of today's video guys. So hope you like this content. Please like, share and subscribe. So please stay tuned. Signing off, Commission Corner.